Well, good evening. It's Megan, and I'm going to take a few minutes to describe the tool that I decided to pick, which you can see on the desktop is Quizlet. So I know personally I really enjoy utilizing the tool Quizlet because it's basically at your fingertips. You can do whatever you want. It's a great way to study. It's a great way to review things. So personally, I like to take like the study guide that any professor gives me and puts like the question in, and then I put the answer in the other. Because you can make flashcards, and then you can do like different tests, spelling tests, writing tests, matching game, and it kind of just allows you to evaluate where you stand within the material for that course and see where you need to prioritize of where you need to study more or where you can like kind of take less time to kind of focus on. So as you can see, this is like a term, and if you click to flip it, it gives you the um, definition of that term. So I have 6 little words for my theme, which is animal management, like rest of the activities that we've done this far. So I'm actually going to show you how you actually create a Quizlet. So I utilize the Quizlet that I've created in high school with a different email account. So I'm going to hit create, and as you study, you're going to put like a new name. So like I just put animal management just so to show you guys. And then you come down here and put different terms, and then you put the definition over here. And I guess the cool thing about Quizlet is you can upload a image. So let's say you're doing like for a course that is utilizing diagrams, and you have to like learn the diagram for the test. You can actually put the diagram within the Quizlet, and you can learn it by doing this. And I really like this because you can have Quizlet on anything. So you can have it on tablet, computer. And my thing with today's generation, our phone is always with us, and you can utilize Quizlet on the app on your phone. So you can study 24/7 right there, and you can edit it, you can add things. So I think that's really neat. So as a student, you can utilize this in that way, but also as a teacher, you can make a Quizlet and like go in and see people's scores and like different things with the different activities that Quizlet offers. So that's just a little bit about Quizlet. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you utilize it in your everyday